This is a review on the Syntus 71-in-1 precision screwdriver set. This one has a 65-bit magnetic screwdrivers kit. This one is good for fixing little stuff like iPads, like stuff that has small screws. So like computers, laptops, Xbox. So this is what's inside the box. Hope you can see the whole thing there. Let me open it up. Let's see clearly how it looks. I like this little box. Let me see if I could get a closer focus on it. This screwdriver here. Nice. This other part over here. Put the bits on it. Is it any of these? Yes. Any of these. I needed one of these for the longest time. Could also use it here. And then put this here. Nice. That you could put on the... You could put this one here, of course. But you could put it on the drill. Like if you have one of these. And then just put whatever you need from here. There you go. Which is nice. You got some sockets here, small sockets. This one here also, bendable, flexible. Alright. Hope this review was helpful. Give me a helpful vote, give me thumbs up, and you please will. I will really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel so you can see other products. So nice. I was waiting for this for a long time.